that I picked the perfect day for this. I really do think so. Because it's, you know, kind of cold. It's raining. There is snow on the ground. And you know what? This is going to be my first real day doing DoorDash. Though I'm not staying out too late. It's 11 o'clock now in the morning on a Saturday. I think I'm going to stay out to maybe just 1 because I do have other things to do this afternoon. So let's try 2 hours on DoorDash in Brampton, Ontario. And let's see where it goes. Okay, first things first. Let's get this app started. Now, I switched phones just because my other phone is going to be, well, I need a new battery on it. It's going to be in the shop. So I had the DoorDasher app here. I click on it. It takes me in there. It's showing a $1 surge pricing right now. For any deliveries on top of that, we're going to get an extra $1. So I'm going to click the Dash Now button. I'm going to select my end time, which will be 1 p.m. I have gas. My phone is charged. I do have the red card. I have the hot bag. I hope I have enough gas. Oh, I've already got my first order. Williams Parkway and something or other. All right, let's start driving. Okay, we are pulling into 470 Chrysler Drive, just like the app asked us to. Let's see where it's going to take us, because I've yet to actually see a restaurant name on here, unless it's just asking me to pull in here and hang out. So, restaurants in this area: Molly's Hot Shop, she makes awesome jerk chicken and doubles. That Italian place, good for their sandwiches. There's a pizza place over there, Calsa Pizza, never been there. What else do we have here? I can't read a word of that because it's not in English. Osmos, I bet you that's why we're here. Osmos, it's like Mediterranean food. Actually, I'm going to pull up right there in front of those people. Let's see where it's taking us here. Finished. Go back into the app. Where am I going? You know what'd be nice would be the name of the restaurant. Tap to open navigation, okay. I'm here looking for, oh, is it really looking for orders? It just asked me to drive here for no particular reason. Resume dash. I don't know where I'm going. I guess I'll walk into Osmos and hope that's why I'm there. Okay, let's do that. Well, that's weird because they weren't expecting any DoorDash deliveries. I got in there and I asked, and I said, okay, I'm here for DoorDash. He's like, nope. So I think the app just wanted me to come here and hang out. Does that make sense? Let's take another look at this thing. Yeah, it says looking for orders. Why would it bring me here though, instead of just letting me drive around like that? It just says looking for orders. So how long am I going to sit here looking for orders? It says, you can see right on this dash, $0, right? 0.00 in the green. And it says looking for orders, and it just kind of parked me here. So I guess the other hot spots to park are either Maine and Beauvard or Steeles in here, Ontario. Now, if I go to Maine and Beauvard and just hang out there, I don't know, I guess that's not a bad spot to hang out either, but that seemed odd. Get in the car, immediately it tells me to come here, hang out, nothing's happening. But this is also, I guess, a very popular place. I didn't even know there was an Osmos here, to be honest. And they're really good food if you get a chance to try one. Alright, let's drive around a bit, I guess, and see what happens for orders. I don't know what I'm doing. That's a skip the dishes dude. Okay, we finally got one. Accept order. Okay, so we're gonna go to Quesadilla Burritos and Tacos. I'm going to go there, $7.33. Route. Alright, let's go pick this stuff up. Oh, where is it? Okay, let's go pick this stuff up. Okay, we're parked at the restaurant. Oh, this is a pain in the ass going back and forth between the apps. Okay, I'm here. Small bag. Hello. You're my very first DoorDash person ever.
It's your first order?
Pardon me?
First order?
Very first order.
All the best for the further.
Pardon me?
All the best for the future then.
Thanks. Do I have to pay you or is it already taken care of?
No, it's all right.
Are you sure? Because I just love giving away money. Alright, well thanks very much.
Have a good one.
You too.
And all the best.
Thanks. Okay, well that was easier than I thought. Go in there, she had it ready, but it looked pretty quiet anyway, so let's put it in the car and get it out. Okay, let's see what the app says to do now. So, I had the customer information. Apparently I pick up time 11:32, which sounds about right. 11:27. So veggie knob, it tells you all the toppings and everything. They paid $15 for this. Okay, so slide after pickup, I did that. Before continuing to the customer, please confirm you have every item listed and check it off. Oh my god, I gotta check it off in the app. How do I check off the toppings? So that was the app asking me, what's the slowdown? Well, because apparently I have to check the app. So I see, I do not like touching people's food. I see 1, 2 things here. Okay, so we've got the burrito. We've got the nachos. Slide after pickup. Hold on, check for commonly. Okay, well, I don't see anything there. It's like check for commonly missed things like utensils and napkins, and there are napkins in there. So far this app is not impressing me. Okay, now I'm just trying to get into the Google Maps to do the drive. 10 minutes away. Alright, let's drive. This strikes me as a bit more complicated than Uber Eats so far. Okay, so far the app, when I was sitting in the parking lot, the app said, hey, go down this way, hang a right, blah, 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 and then it goes away on the map. So I get up there, hang a right, it's a dead end. There's nowhere to go. And then it just keeps like, oh, keep going down this dead end, don't worry about it, we'll get you there eventually. And then now the app has me way out of the way, like almost the complete opposite way of where I'm supposed to be. I'm supposed to be over there, it's pushing me this way. So the GPS on this app is shitballs, I'll tell you that. This will probably be my very last time, first and last time doing DoorDash. This might even be my first and last order, because I'm not impressed by this so far. Alright app, this app seriously sucks. So far, 0 out of 5 for this app. 6, 10. Hello. Okay, slide after delivery. Slid. Give it a happy face. So it's asking me what went well. Short delivery, fast merchant, easy drop off. Congratulations on my first delivery. Yay. Now it wants me to go back there and hang out, looking for orders. All right, well, it's 11:46, 11:45. 45 minutes, I've made $7.33. So, I am $7.33 closer to retirement and becoming a millionaire. Fantastic. All right, let's go hang out. 12:30. 12:30. Still only one order between 11 and 12:30. Nothing happening at all. DoorDash. They should rename this to Door Slow, because this is slow. Okay, so I've been driving around for a little bit. It's 12:36. I think I'm going to wait till 12:45 and just turn off this app. I mean, if I don't get another order in the next 10 minutes, then, I mean, why bother? It just seems like a huge waste of time right now to do this. I mean, I am not impressed with this app at all so far. DoorDash, if you can impress me somehow, reach out to me. But this is pathetic. A Saturday afternoon at lunch hour, and I get one order in 2 hours? Horrible. Okay, 12:45. I think I'm done. I mean, I started at 11. I got the one order. An hour and 45 minutes later, I've still only done one order. Nothing is happening. I thought today'd be the perfect day for it, too. I mean, it's crappy out and it's rainy and it's lunchtime and nothing's happening. What is with this DoorDash? So DoorDash, you're dead to me, DoorDash. This would be my first and last time ever doing DoorDash. I'm not impressed with it. Okay, let's end this dash. Well, let's get rid of this message first. End dash. Bunk. You won't be assigned any more deliveries for this dash. Brampton still needs dashes until midnight. End dash. Dash summary from 11 for 1.8 hours. One delivery. $8.33. Refer a friend, make $500 more. I'm not referring anybody for this. I still prefer Uber Eats. Of all the apps that are available, Uber Eats is still my favorite just because it is the most versatile. You go somewhere, you turn it on, you get in there, you do your business, you get out, and you make the shifts. But right now, I'm not impressed with DoorDash. So, enjoy the rest of your weekend. Thanks for watching. Let's talk again. And if you do sign up for Uber Eats, my code is in the link below. And if you decide to torment yourself and sign up for DoorDash, my link is in the code below. And do me a favor and check out my videos here of where I tried to sign up for DoorDash. There should be one here, and there should be one over here. Okay, thanks for watching. We'll talk again soon.